National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southeastern Polk County in western North Carolina, northeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Forest City to 12 miles northwest of Spartanburg to 11 miles northeast of Greenville downtown, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Spartanburg, Gaffney, Greer, Taylors, Five Forks, Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Duncan, Lyman, Landrum, and Cowpads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Polk and Rutherford, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee, Greenville and Spartanburg.